How to remove profile picture on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go directly to your TikTok application and it will lead you directly to your homepage. Now, it will directly lead you to your homepage. So to be able to remove your profile picture is you have to go to your bottom part. You'll see profile there. Go to your profile and here you will see edit profile. It's under following and followers. Tap on that. And you won't actually, TikTok doesn't have any options to remove your profile picture to none or the, but there is an other way. So all you have to do is to go to your Google or your Pinterest and just search for the profile icon there. As you can see here, I've actually downloaded that. Now go to your TikTok here, and then if you tap on change photo, go to upload photo, find that image. So as you can see here, have this, and here as you can see, I could set now my profile to this. I have successfully removed my profile picture on TikTok. And if you go back here, as you can see, you have now successfully removed profile picture on TikTok, and basically that is how you remove profile picture on TikTok. Now if it doesn't work, make sure that you have updated your TikTok application. And that is all for today. If this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.